Do you want crisp DNA bands? Have you ever set up a restriction digest and ended up with a bad result? This happens more often than you think. I've covered this protocol before, but I wanted to make a clearer, faster, and more practical version. And later in the video, I'll explain the key differences between diagnostic and cloning digests, including exactly how much DNA you should use in each case. A well-planned digest saves time, reduces reagent waste, and prevents repeated experiments. These are basic steps, but small details make a large difference in outcome. Start with purified DNA. Contaminants like salts or proteins interfere with enzyme activity. Then select the correct buffer for your enzyme. Buffer compatibility charts from a manufacturer should always be checked. Keep the DNA volume below 25% of the total reaction volume. Restriction enzymes are sensitive. Keep them cold, handle them gently, and add them last to the reaction. This prevents exposure to suboptimal conditions before the reaction begins. If you need to prepare the same digest multiple times, prepare a master mix. It reduces pipetting steps and variability. I will cover master mix preparation in a separate video. Mix the reaction carefully by pipetting or gentle flicking. Do not vortex, as this can damage DNA and enzymes. Most digests run at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, but always confirm the recommended temperature and time for your enzyme. Some require different conditions. Incubation time can be extended to overnight. For diagnostic digestion, select enzymes that have 1 to 3 recognition sites on your plasmid. Too many fragments, or fragments too close in size, make gels difficult to interpret. Use up to 1 micrograms of DNA in a 30 to 50 microliter reaction. Keep in mind that to visualize smaller fragments, a greater amount of DNA must be digested to make them visible on the gel. For cloning digests, think bigger. Use 2 to 10 micrograms of DNA to compensate for gel extraction losses. And choose enzymes that cleanly isolate your target fragment. Reaction volumes will adjust with DNA concentration. In this case, incubation time can be extended to 12 to 16 hours. Bands look wrong on the gel? If results are inconsistent, first check your DNA quality. You should also confirm enzyme buffer compatibility. Avoid excess enzyme, which can cause star activity or nonspecific cutting. If digestion consistently fails, methylation of the plasmid may be the cause. In such cases, use an isoschismer that cuts regardless of methylation or consider retransforming in methylation-deficient competent cells. In summary, purified DNA, correct buffer, enzyme last, gentle mixing, and appropriate DNA amounts. These details make the difference between unreliable results and reproducible success. In the next video, I will cover gel electrophoresis to analyze your fragments. Subscribe so you don't miss that, along with a detailed guide on master mix preparation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.